Work-life balance when you run your own business is absolutely essential. And having activities at home that allow you to be fully present with your family and with your children will benefit you in the long term. I'm Richard Wagner, and I'm the founder of The River Shop, where we teach woodworking in our workshop in Southeast London. What I've managed to achieve from running my courses is that I have the flexibility that I want to be with my family, and so I can be fulfilled at work and do all of the work I need to do, which means that when I get home, work stays where it belongs. Over the course of the last 16 years, I've done a variety of woodworking jobs, from furniture making, bench joinery, site carpentry, and teaching. Showing people the fundamentals and teaching people the basic principles of working with wood gives you an opportunity to allow every student to bring their own vision, their own creativity. I'm also a really big fan of how organized Festool can make you. Having an organized shop makes it a lot more effective, a lot more efficient. When you spend your time on the task at hand and not looking for the equipment or the materials that you need, more of your energy and time is spent on the making process, which in turn yields better results. I've provided all of my students with exclusively Festool products. A big part of that is extraction. Having dust extractors available for students to use means that you can have multiple students working side by side and know that there's not going to be atmospheric dust or unsafe working conditions. Using dust extraction indoors in a shared workspace is essential to how we run our workshops. I've always aspired to give my girls a vocational education while they grow up. I've been doing that with woodwork with my eldest in the form of assembling things together, and together we recently oiled a handmade stool, and I left the oiling element of that out so that we could do that together and watch the magical experience of making wood grain pop. I'm much more present now than I used to be. By truly leaving work in the workshop, I can play and I can engage and I can participate. And that's something you don't actually appreciate until you realize how valuable and important those things are.